Hello and welcome students to English class of Standard 12. Today we will be doing prose section and the lesson that we will be doing is 1.6 Into the Wild. It is written by Kiran Purandare. It is the lesson of personal experience of the writer Kiran Purandare. Our lesson starts with icebreakers, and so, as per the textbook, we are beginning with the icebreakers. First question is narrate about the incidences of your life when you are extremely terrified or awestruck. So some points are given here. You can make use of those points and you can write the incidents or you can orally narrate it. The next question is complete the given table regarding the factors, situations and the reasons as to why you sometimes get scared and the factors that are adding to it to make you more scared. So and also you have to give possible solutions for that. So the reasons are given here while discussing about the strange creatures. What are the factors that can add to it more when you will discuss about it at midnight or in the absence of parents, or it can be elderly people. So the solution for it is you should avoid such type of discussions. Stories that are baseless, you should not do it. Next is the reason: if I get lost somewhere and cannot find my way home. So the factors which add to it are if you are alone, or if it is at night, or if the place is lonely. What are the solutions that you are going to do? Find out the way for it or route in detail beforehand, you can find out, or also you can try not to go out at night alone. So in this way you are going to find the reasons, the factors that add more to it, and you are going to find the solutions. So we can complete this table in such a way. Given below are the various activities which you can pursue, means which you can carry on as your hobby, passion or profession. Now complete the table accordingly. This is the part that should be done by you. I'll read just the two of it. Painting, if that is the activity, it can be a hobby, it can be a passion or also a profession. The reason that I can express myself well through the strokes of brush. So you can write that. And traveling, you can make a chart of it. What things are your hobbies, are your passion, and you can choose it as your profession by writing the reasons before it. As this lesson is based on wildlife, so we have the match the followings about wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries are the places where animals are protected in their natural habitat. So Bandipur National Park, where is the location of it? Directly the answers are given in the table below. You can go through it and you can make use of it for writing correct answers. Kiran Purandare, he is a dynamic personality. He is an environmentalist, and after studying BCom, he has studied environmental studies at Jordan Hill College of Education in Scotland. He is a recipient of Sahitya Puraskar, Pune's Bhai Madhav Bagal Award and Best Literature Award given by Cultural Department of Maharashtra State for his book Sakha Nagzira. Now he has spent 400 days inside Nagzira and nearby forest areas, and he has wrote this award-winning book. The picture of it is given in the slide. Now this excerpt, that is this part of the lesson which we are studying, this is being taken from this particular book. Kiran Purandare is a versatile personality. He is a wildlife expert, a bird watcher, a writer, and honorary wildlife warden in Maharashtra. He is also the founder of Nisarga Ved organization, which works for the nature conservation and community work around Nagzira, Navegaon, a tiger reserve in Bhandara and Gondia districts. Now he is fondly called as Kika, and he has founded Kika's Bird Club in order to spread bird farming, which is very popular among the school children of Maharashtra. Here are some of the books written by Kiran Purandare, and mostly they are based on birds and wildlife. As the name suggests, Into the Wild, the present excerpt is an amazing experience of the writer Kiran Purandare. He is a solitary traveler, that means he is traveling alone, and then he is completely lost in the jungles of Ambarzara. Now here he is writing his true experiences, what has happened when he has lost way in Ambarzara. He narrates how he has lost his way at the fall of the dusk and the terrifying turmoil he has underwent thereafter. He is saying that he has lost his way in the evening, and he is saying that he was terrified because of losing the way, and what has happened to him after that. He says that shouting for help would literally mean crying in the wilderness. That is, if you are shouting all alone when you are in danger and nobody is paying attention to it, it means crying in the wilderness. So he was crying in the wilderness and there was no one to pay attention there in the jungle. He also gives us the detailed description of how he has found his way towards Pitezhari. Pitezhari is the village nearby, and how he has found his way. All this is described in part 1 of the lesson, which we will be discussing in the next video. Part 2 of the lesson, Into the Wild. This is about Shah's Jung. This is an extract that is from CN Traveller magazine that was published by Land Rover India. This is an article from this magazine and it is about Shah's Jung. And this person, he is a wildlife photographer, and the article briefs us, that is, it gives us a detailed study about how he has gone into the wildlife photography and what are his experiences in the journey of the habitat of the heroes of the jungle, that is the animals of the jungle, and how he has made genuine efforts and for taking and establishing this BCRTI, that is the conservation, that is preserving the forest, and also educating the people living nearby the forest, that is the rural folks, and also providing them with the reliable source of income, that is training them and providing them reliable source of income. So part 2 deals about the work of Shah's Jung. So we have come to know about the details of the author and the introduction of the lesson, which deals with part 1 and part 2. In the next video we will be studying part 1 of the lesson. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video, and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.